Wait a
ma'am.
minute. Uh, you have generated the request of recording. So
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
I'm
yeah,
approving
but
this from my side, okay? So you will share it with me later on whenever you have time.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. Hi Kiran, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great, ma'am. Thanks for asking me. What about you, ma'am?
I'm also fine. Thank you for asking. And you can call me by my name. My name is Rashi, so you can call it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am, but it's my habit. Okay, I will try it,
Okay.
Rashi. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's just up to you. As much as you feel comfortable
yeah,
with anything, then you can call me.
yeah, ma'am. So
Okay,
sorry.
so no worries.
Yeah,
Before
yeah,
diving into the session, should we start with our introduction?
yeah, sure, ma'am.
So I
So
want to
I
know
go
about
first.
something you. So introduce yourself, please.
Sure, ma'am. My name is Kiran Sao. I'm from West Bengal. If I talk my education, so I have done BCom honors, and now I'm homemaker and mother of two adorable boys. Simultaneously, I run my YouTube channel named English with Kiran, where I
Okay.
upload English related content like conversational video, solo video, and sometimes grammar.
Hmm.
And if I talk my hobbies, so reading, cooking, and interact new people, these are my hobbies. But these days, due to busy schedule, I'm not able to read anything. So I can say, mm, because of I'm a mother, so
I
I'm
can
so
understand.
busy these days.
Yeah, I have
So that's
seen.
all about, yeah, ma'am.
Hmm.
So that's all about me, ma'am.
Yeah,
So may
that's
I know
really.
something about you, ma'am?
Yeah, definitely. But I want to say that was a really amazing introduction to hear about you. So, as you know, uh, wait a moment. Wait a moment. Okay. So, as you know, my name is Rashi Khandelwal. I was born and brought up in Rajasthan, but currently I'm living in Gurgaon. That comes in Haryana. Okay. And I am a homemaker, same like you. And if I talk about my qualifications, then I hold a master's degree in English literature. And simultaneously, I am also I have a YouTube channel also, Learn English with Rashi. This is the name of my YouTube channel. And as like you, I also upload these conversation videos, solo videos, and some tricks, some vocabularies. There are some many things on my YouTube channel. And besides that, I am a bibliophile person. I loves to read books. I am little bit creative, you can call. Sometimes I try to do some DIYs, whatever I have seen on my YouTube channel, whatever videos I have seen on YouTube. And sometimes I loves to cook try new recipes. So that's all about me. Thank you.
Amazing introduction, ma'am, from your side.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
So, Kiran, do you have any question for me in your mind?
No, ma'am. I just yeah, I if I want to, I mean, if I have, then I will ask you. And
Okay.
it's- yeah,
Okay.
ma'am. Now
So,
you raise question and you
okay.
ask something.
Okay. It was actually a sudden message to
Yeah,
connect with
ma'am.
each other. That's why you don't have anything in your mind. No worries.
Yeah.
I
Yeah, ma'am.
will,
Yeah. Do you have and do you have kids, ma'am?
no, till now I don't have any kid. I was saying that I
Okay.
have seen mothers surround me. They are so busy in with their kids.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. I have two kids, so full time I'm busy. But sometime I just steal some time for myself to improve myself because I felt that uh, I was lacking behind.
Hmm.
Okay, so that's why now I am trying to improve myself because sometime we if I feel that I'm lacking behind, so some in some cases we feel so shy.
Hmm.
It's happened.
Hmm.
Yeah, so that's why now I am working on myself and I want to improve myself.
Yeah.
So because I have done BCom honors, but if I talk myself now, so I don't have any about commerce related because I'm not practicing.
Hmm.
Okay. So that's why if whatever we knowledge, whatever we have course and certificate doesn't matter. The matter
Hmm.
is how much you are practicing.
Yeah.
That is main things, right? So that I got married 2015, and
Hmm.
after that I never tried to do anything. Just
Okay.
I indulge myself doing household chores and taking care of family, kids. That's all I was doing. Okay,
Hmm.
then now I'm trying to do something different because it's a need, I can say.
Hmm.
And yeah, if you do not do anything, then you feel like my degree, my whole certificate is spoiled. Like
Hmm.
now it's it's getting spoiled. Okay, so that's why it's very important now these days to improve ourselves and just try to do something new,
Hmm.
right? So now I'm
Definitely.
trying to do.
Now I can
So
say
now
you
I
are.
can say now
Hmm.
I'm not fluent speaker, but
Hmm.
just I'm just trying to be speaking because I know without speaking practice we can't speak.
Hmm.
This is the language that we have to uh, pre- definitely we must have speaking practice. Then only we can speak,
Hmm.
right? So this is the language. Any language, not only English language. You know, I since my childhood I have been living here West Bengal, but
Hmm.
I'm not Bengali, and I never try to speak Bengali language because
Okay.
I felt that this is not important for me. I was comfortable with my own language like Hindi or my Bihari language and Bhojpuri language. This language, Bhojpuri language, I never, now I'm not using, but I can speak
Hmm.
Bhojpuri language. So I can
Hmm.
say that now I'm able to speak 5 languages.
Okay.
So, uh, Bengali language, I never tried. But just 2 years back, I felt because of Bengali language, I felt that no, it is very important to learn because I have been living here in my childhood. So definitely, I should have learned this language. So from that, I start my journey of Bengali language first. Then when I felt that now I'm comfortable with Bengali language, then I started English language. So now I'm working on my English language. So
Okay.
I can say learning phase will never stop. Whatever you want, just learn and try to learn, right?
Yeah.
So just try to push up yourself, try to try to push up yourself from comfort zone, right?
Hmm.
Then everything is possible for me and
Yeah.
us, right?
Yeah.
So that
Definitely.
is the things.
Hmm.
So what about you? What do you
Uh,
think about it?
yeah. I feel resonate with you. I'm totally agree with you. But I first of all I want to say you are an ambitious lady, you know. You nowadays you are working on yourself, you are exploring the things, you are learning new things, and you make this decision that I have to work on myself. I am doing all the domestic chores, all the household chores. This is a part of our life. But we should keep in our mind that we are something, so we have to maintain some time in a day for ourselves. And that self awakening is very important because we ladies, you know, we forget we who we are. Why
Yes, definitely.
we feel that we, our family, our members, our relations, those are everything. Yes, those are everything, but we also have something. Yeah, that little bit. So
Yeah,
you are working on that yourself. That is really really very nice decision. And yes, I feel resonate that you said that there is no age limit for learning. Yes, as you are learning Bengali since childhood, you never try to learn Bengali language because you never feel the importance of that language. But
yeah,
I just want to say, you are living in Bengal and you never feel that there is any need for Bengali language. But from last 2 years, you are learning it, and then you switch to English language because you feel that if I am able to learn Bengali, then I have to learn something other, which makes you more confident. Am I agree? Am I right? Sorry.
yeah, ma'am. Definitely, you are right.
Definitely. So this thing that learning has no age limit, yes, definitely, and we should try. until we have that mind, you know, we should not compare ourselves from others who are very fluent in this particular language, as you have been started your journey. So how many months you have spent in this learning?
I think 8 months of speaking
Okay,
practice. Yeah,
you
I
have
just,
invested.
I think, yeah, after getting married, I think I lost my name because no one called me my name by my name.
Hmm. Hmm.
And everyone just knows me, but definitely no one called me by my name. So I
Hmm.
felt that I think I lost my name.
Hmm.
Sometimes I forgot that what my name is.
No worries, you
Sometimes
will
it's
never
happened
forget
with
your
me.
name.
Yeah, yes, it's a happen. If you somebody, because I go to my parental house.
Hmm.
Okay, rarely, because I uh, some some incident happened with me and some many things in my life.
Hmm.
Now I'm not. I mean, this place is not comfortable to share with you, but just a little, just a little. I want to share with you. Just
Hmm.
after getting married, I felt that I lost my name.
Hmm.
And everyone just, I was busy just household and doing, I mean, taking care of family, and I
Hmm.
lost my name. So
Hmm.
now I'm able to this that someone, maybe not much, but someone knows my name. So it's a feel good, and I'm feeling good that maybe I don't have much property, and I mean, everyone knows me, but someone knows me. So this thing makes me happy, too happy.
Yeah.
I'm so happy to learning this language, and now I'm feeling good. Whatever I get time, so I want to improve myself. I want to learn just a sentence, I mean word that that make me improve. So
Hmm.
now I'm doing this thing.
Yes, definitely. I want to say to you, you are not alone who is feeling like that. I have forget myself in those responsibilities, in those household chores, in all those kind which I am doing, but I'm not doing nothing for myself. You are not alone. After marriage, I think 98% women who are homemaker feels that. But you are, self-aware that now you are taking action for yourself by learning this language only. At least you have started your journey. So you are a very positive person. Don't forget that and be courageous. You will do it finally. You have that courage to face the camera and put your recording on YouTube, upload your recording on YouTube. That is a publical platform, everyone can see that. So everyone can't have that much courage that anyone can see, and you don't have that fear of judgment, how people will treat me, how what they will think. So you are not dealing with those things, you are just improving yourself. This is the main thing. So I just want to know, Kiran, what kind of challenges you are facing in this learning language? I mean, you have invested 8 months in your learning. So do you feel that this particular thing is very difficult for me in English?
Yeah, initially when I started my journey, that time I was not able to utter a single sentence
Hmm.
that time,
Hmm.
because my background was totally Hindi.
Hmm.
And I just did my graduation in English version, and
Hmm.
then after I totally left my study for 10 years
Hmm.
now. So definitely I faced a lot of difficulties while when I started my journey.
Hmm.
That time just while I have knowledge, I had a knowledge of grammar
Hmm.
and tenses, but
Hmm.
while speaking I forgot that I'm talking about present, but
Hmm.
I forgot that uh, I when I start speaking like a story. Okay,
Hmm.
that time I forgot that I should speak in past. Okay,
Hmm.
I even though I know,
Hmm.
I knew everything, but while speaking I always make mistake. Now I'm making mistake a lot.
Hmm.
Okay, so now I'm trying to reduce, but sometimes it's happened with me that I make mistake. So I accept it because now it's my learning phase, and after I think 1 year maybe I
Hmm.
improved. I will improve it a lot. But
Hmm.
these days I know that I'm making mistake. I always whenever I record my session and publicly I upload, then I always mention that I am a learner and I make mistake. And whatever who want to watch my video, then watch. Otherwise, no need to, because I am learning now.
Hmm.
Okay, this is my learning phase, and I make mistake. I mean I accept it
Hmm.
because
Yeah, that
so
is
that's my
really a great thing that you are accepting. And when we accept something, then it is more easy to grow. Because now you know that you have to work on yourself. Now you know your weaknesses also, that you have to work on tenses while speaking. So
yeah
I want to say, I also do those kind of mistakes. I have in my mind that I have to use present tense, but while speaking, I am using past tense. So it happens because we are not habitual of this language. It
yeah
takes time to become fluent and grammatically correct. Okay.
yeah
And the another thing is, it is a slip of tongue also.
yeah.
Sometimes it
Tongue
happens in
twister.
our
I
mother tongue
faced
also.
mostly. I felt. I mean, starting I felt pronunciation difficulties.
Hmm.
While because yeah, I think learning Bengali language it
Hmm.
helped me a lot
Hmm.
because while speaking Bengali, I think you must heard about Bengali language. They speak very, I mean, tongue twist. Okay, so this thing
Okay.
helped me a lot.
Hmm.
Now I'm able to little sometime like I mean some words are very difficult to speak. So
Hmm.
that time I get stuck. Otherwise, I speak all every word. Okay, and sometime I I mean there are tenses mistake I made make sometime and pronunciation mistake. It's sometime my tongue not support me, don't support me to how to speak this language,
Hmm.
this word. Okay,
Hmm.
so sometime I get stuck while speaking pronunciation word, and that's why I'm now working. Sometime try to speak and
Okay.
yeah. So
So,
it's a
hmm.
yeah, ma'am. Please
Here,
continue.
here, I want to suggest you something. As you mentioned that you are facing some words are very difficult to you for pronunciation. Okay. So what you can do, for me, for example, there is a word congratulations. That is very easy for me today, but it was not easy for me. Okay. So what I did, I just searched it on Google. So when you search any word, so there is a pronunciation option is also came on your screen.
Yeah,
So what you can do is to just listen that pronunciation by Google and try to speak with it. Okay. Simultaneously, you have to speak and do it for 1 minute and repeat that word 10 times, 5 times, 8 times. Then what will happen? That pronunciation will fix in your mind.
yeah,
Yeah, you will mispronounce it again, but at that time you also know what I have to do. Now you will go again to Google, then you have to search it again, then you will speak. And with time, when you do it once, twice, with time you will feel easy. Okay? So in this way, you can work with it. And is there any other problem you have? I mean, how do you practice your speaking practice? Is there any application? You got any subscription of any application, or just doing these conversations? So how you practice your speaking practice?
yeah. I started my journey calling audio call. I
Okay.
take subscription starting Stock. From I heard about Stock from Facebook, conversational video. I watch a lot conversational video. Is so many there are so many applications we
Hmm.
can use and improve our communication skill.
Hmm.
So after that I install an application just talk. Then after I initially when I started my journey, then that time I felt like there are so many students. They don't
Hmm.
have mind to how to speak with girls and ladies, and
Hmm.
they sometimes in this world so many person are they have different type of
Hmm.
mindset, right?
Hmm.
So I felt that. it is not work. It will not work for me
Hmm.
because they asked me some nonsense question.
Hmm.
So I didn't feel good.
Hmm.
So I thought, no, it will not work for me. I left it. So
Hmm.
I left it that time. After 1 week, I just again restart. Let's
Hmm.
do again. What happened? Let's check. So then I start my journey, and after that, some people are good and some people are bad. So whenever I feel that person are good for speaking, so I continued myself and
Hmm.
I talked a lot. Minimum half an hour I used to talk. Okay, and
Okay.
then if I felt person are not good and not able to speak, so that time I hang up call. So that things I do.
Hmm.
That things I used to do. So that and after that I got I think 6 months.
Hmm.
I whenever I get time, so I used to audio call,
Hmm.
and sometime mainly Saturday Sunday I had to skip because today my children at home, they
Hmm.
didn't they don't they didn't allow me to call someone. Okay,
Hmm.
so that's why I today I skip, and otherwise a part of 5 days I tried to call. Uh, Mostly I try to improve. Okay, so
Hmm.
that's why I 5 day I use, and then I just when I feel that now I am able to speak audio call,
Hmm.
then my husband suggested me to restart to start your channel and no, my husband suggested me to uh, speak in front of camera
Hmm.
because there are no not that much improvement on audio call. It's
Hmm.
just for fluency. Okay,
Hmm.
but if you want to overcome your hesitation
Hmm.
and if you want to talk a person, then audio call is work for us. So
Hmm.
definitely, you know what? Yesterday, yesterday, I went to school,
Hmm.
and earlier it was very difficult for me to talk to principal in English.
Hmm.
But last day, I confidently, I spoke with me. I confidently talked with principal in
Hmm.
English, and I felt so good.
Hmm.
I will now am able to speak. So I it's it I mean I can say that it gives me immense pleasure.
Hmm.
So definitely now I am able to because of talking in front of camera. So now I am able to speak with principal, any person, whatever person I can speak.
Hmm.
So if you push up yourself from comfort zone, definitely you will be able to speak this language. I can say.
Yeah, sure. Definitely. If a person do their action, if a
Yeah.
person take the actions, then we also get the results. We have
Yeah.
everything in this world.
Ma'am.
So we have to just put
Yesterday
our
I
actions.
yeah
Hmm. Sorry
Yesterday
for
I had to
interrupting.
take my kid. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yesterday I had to take my kid to the doctor.
Hmm.
So that's why I firstly I thought that what should I speak, but I felt what happened. I will see.
Hmm.
Then let's go and speak.
Yeah.
So little bit I got nervous,
Hmm.
but just 1 minute, 2 minute, I felt good, and now then I speak. I spoke very well.
Yeah.
So
It
that's
happens.
things.
It
Yeah,
happens because
because
in hmm.
this is not our mother tongue,
Hmm.
and I can say that if I consider myself, so it is my fifth language.
Hmm.
So definitely, sometime I make mistake, and it's happened with me.
Yeah, making mistakes is normal. Take it easy. Because when you will not do any mistake, then how you will correctify yourself? We are not
Yeah.
don't chase for perfection. Learn every day, improve yourself, and then next day you will perform more better. Okay. So another thing is, as you said that you have spoken with the principal sir at your kids' school. So this is the thing that you are feeling more confident than before. So this language is making you confident. You are learning it for your pleasure, for your happiness, for your confidence. So this is the right reason. Okay. And you are not chasing any, I can say, subscribers, any crowd. You are doing it for yourself. So, is there any other way how you learning? What, how many hours, how much time you give to your practice? As you say, Saturday, Sunday, you take off from your learning because your kids are at your home. They are not allowing you to do any audio calls. So, how many hours you dedicate to this learning of in those 5 days?
There is no fixed time. Sometime, I'm alone and my husband goes office
Hmm.
in the morning and at 8:30. Sometime
Hmm.
8, sometime 8:30.
Hmm.
And he comes back 7:30. So
Hmm.
whole day I'm alone and I have a lot of responsibility on my shoulder. So
Hmm.
that's why there is no fixed time, but mostly 1 to 2 hours I try to give my time to improve myself.
Yeah,
Hardly one two. Yeah.
that's very very good that you are dedicating 1 hour completely on daily basis because I just want to say don't compare yourself and you are accepting that I am learning and I have to work on myself. This is the main thing. As I can say, I also do mistakes. I am not also the perfectionist, I can say. And sometimes I am not aware that I am making mistake. There is no one who can say that, Rashi, you are doing mistakes. So what I have to do, then I will watch my video again and then I will get to know that here this is not the wrong, this is not the right thing. This is not the right structure how I am saying this thing. So then I have to analysis. So as you can also do after uploading your videos, you can watch them and you can do that camera practice which your husband suggested you. And after recording, listen that. And you can what you can do, record your own voice and listen that. When you listen your own language, your own spoken, at that time you feel that here I am doing mistakes. In intentionally or unintentionally, you will get the idea. Then you can correctify that thing. In this way you can analyze yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, and there are multiple channels on YouTube. Besides these conversation channels, there are multiple channels on YouTube for spoken English especially, so you can learn from them also.
Yeah,
We
ma'am.
all are
Definitely.
learning. No one is teacher student. We all are learning. You, me, any other person, we all are just learning. The difference is someone is as much fluent and someone is as much fluent. This is the difference, nothing else. Yeah,
Definitely. True that.
yeah.
So what about you, ma'am? I'm very curious to know about you. How did you start and so all
Okay.
that?
Yeah,
Yeah.
as I mentioned, I hold a degree in English literature, but that was for academics. I was not able to speak at that time, at my college time. But last year, in the month of February, my husband suggested me, Rashi, you should create your channel. And yeah, I was able to hold a conversation, but not as much. So I started watching other YouTubers conversation videos, how they are speaking, how they are doing their daily conversations. Then by watching and while speaking, as much as I am doing these conversations, so I am becoming fluent. Sometimes it happens with me that I also feel stuck. I also feel zone out. I also feel that I am fumbling a lot when there is a gap of 2 to 4 days in my practice. After that I feel that I am doing fumbling again. Then I have to do practice more, so I also practice with audio calls. And yeah, I read books. So in this way, you can say I am working from last February. So this is in this February I will complete 1 year with my YouTube channel and with my English spoken journey also.
Yeah,
That's
ma'am.
all.
Send me your channel name, ma'am, after the
my
session.
okay, my channel name is Learn English with Rashi.
Okay, ma'am. I will check and you will if you send me, then it will be easy for me,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, definitely, definitely. I will share with you. No
Yeah.
worries.
Yeah.
So, Kiran, do you have anything in your mind?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And if you have anything to ask for me, then you can ask, or we should wrap up this call because our session will be end within some minutes. That's why I'm asking.
Okay, yeah, you're right. Yeah, ma'am. Then you can wrap up. And thank
Okay.
you for thank you for reaching out and talking to me. I'm really enjoyed a lot to talk to you, and every bit of session I enjoyed.
Yeah, thank you for being here with me and sorry for kept you waiting. Last time I was stuck in something, so I was not aware about that. I was not aware
I
that
think you
it is
forgot.
1 p.m. I was not aware about time. What is the time now? So I was not able to maintain that session at that time. So that's why I am sorry for that. And thank you for being here. And I enjoyed a lot. And keep doing and best of luck. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Have a nice day. Bye bye.
We will meet again, ma'am,
Yeah,
very soon.
definitely. Definitely.